Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can specifically search for specific messages on your Discord mobile app. So you're just going to go here to the person's profile, and then you're going to click on these three. Oh, actually, there's going to be a search button. So just slide it to the left and just press search. And here's where you can find that specific message. For instance, I say be quiet to my brother a lot, so I'm just going to press search, and it's going to open up all the messages that I've sent that has the word be and quiet. And you can even go to that message by pressing the message here. You can skip to that message, and then it will open up the message. That is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. That is it for today's video. I hope it was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!